Hey everybody, glad to see you once again, that you have come to Mr. Welch to get a little math help. I am glad to help you out with this problem right here. We're in Module 4, adding and subtracting fractions. Particularly, we're working on some mixed numbers here. And so the problem that you came to me is similar to this, 2 3/4 plus 5 2/9. First, we want to estimate to get a ballpark kind of an answer, close to it kind of answer. Then we want to do the work for an exact answer. So let's start with our estimate. Okay, so with an estimate, first 2 3/4. We need to round that off to the nearest whole number. And so what we'll see if you use your calculator, and we've talked about some of this before, if you use your calculator, you'll see 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. So that'll become 2.75. Okay, which we can then round off to 3. Because 2, the 7 here rounds the 2 up to a 3. Okay? And then when we take 5 2/9, use your handy dandy calculator, and 2 divided by 9 will be like 0.2222222 forever and ever and ever. So that'll be 5.22. And that just goes on forever. Now that rounds off as a whole number. The 5, 2, the 2 keeps the 5 of 5. It doesn't bump it up because this is less than 5. We round not based on the number itself, but the number behind it, the digit behind it. So that stays a 5. And so what we're looking at here is, this was addition, so we're looking at about 3 plus about 5. So our estimate is about 8. So our estimated answer is about 8. We should end up, when we do our exact work, with an answer close to, somewhere close to 8. So let's put that over here, kind of get it out of the way. Now let's get ourselves a little space. And let's see about doing our exact work. Okay, so guys, when I add up mixed numbers, what I like to do is separate the problem into two problems. It's kind of like divide and conquer, you know. I want to actually do the fraction part here separate from the whole number part here. And so I'll set it up and I'll go ahead and put it in column form. And right here I'll have my 5 2/9. And so here we go. When I'm doing this, first, work out the fraction part. Okay? First we're going to work out the fractions. Now, in order and we're adding here, in order to add these fractions, we're going to need a common denominator. Well, our common denominator for 9 and 4, we're going to go right to that, I believe you'll know, is 36. 36. Okay? So that's our common denominator. Now, we need new numerators. 9 times something is 36. Or 36 divided by 9 is actually 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. We'll go times 4 here. That'll get me an 8 there. Right here, 4 times 9 is 36. So 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. So we've got now this new set of fractions. Now all we're doing is working with the fractions. We haven't addressed those whole numbers at all. Let's go ahead and add our fractions. 27 plus 8 is 35 over 36. So first, work out the fractions. Second, work out the whole numbers. Whole numbers. All right, so that's just 2 plus 5, that's 7. Then what we want to finish this up by just connecting those two answers together. 7 and 35 over 36. Now, what we see for our exact answer then, exact answer, 7 and 35 over 36, that is very, very close to 8. So I'm very confident in that answer. And guys, I hope this helped you a little bit. First, estimate. Okay, we did that work and we got approximately 8. Then we did our exact work by first working out the fractions, getting that answer, working out the whole number, pull the whole thing together, got an answer. All right, now you go back, do some practice work, Use the similar exercise button. Do as many as you need to get comfortable so you can do this. All right? And I know you can.